Hey and welcome again to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn how to create new file, edit it and delete it, and also how to synchronize our remote repository to our local repository. So first of all, let's create a file. So for example, I want to create a file here. We have the button here, create new file. Let's click on it. After that, we should, for example, put name. Let's just say demo.txt, and here, for example, let's make a title. To make title, it's in this sample GS. For example, let's make test demo, and to make a list, it's with the 12 space, for example, first line, another one, second line. And to see that, let's just click preview. It will show us that this is a link, this is a title, and those are about two list. So let's commit that. First of all, let's give it some title, create test demo, and now let's commit it. After that, the description, it's not obligatory, we will commit it in the same branch master. So let's hit on commit new file. After that, we will show here it is in our main repository, demo.txt. If we click on it, we see the thing that we just added. Now what if we want to work with this repository, or to copy it, or to have it on our local machine? And as we say, we have two ways to do that. First of all, the fetch and then merge it with code, or just use git pull. In this case, we will use git pull. So git pull. But before we execute the git pull, we need to make sure that everything is work fine. So git status, and it tells us that everything work fine and clear. So now git pull. Let's hit enter. Wait for like a few minutes, it will tells us, and now everything it's okay. It tells us that its new file with demo.txt has been created. So now if we see what we have in the local repository or in my website, hit enter, and we see that the demo.txt is being updated or created. To see what's in it, let's cat demo.txt. Let's hit enter, and the same thing that we create in the repository or in the remote repository, now it's in our local repository. So this is all for this video, and see you soon.